In this video, we're going to be making a desk for my buddy. It's 30 by 60 inches. He's going to use it for playing games. He's also in college, so he's going to be using it for schoolwork and just some working deals there. So super easy. He wanted it customized for his size of his room, and he wanted to learn how to do it. So this is it. What's going on, good people, YouTube? Today we're going to build a desk for Andrew. This is the stuff that we need. He went to Home Depot and got his own wood and stuff, and I think he got them to cut it. We might just have to cut a few parts. I haven't seen anything yet, so this is what we're kind of looking at. We got a little saw there, sander, some drill bits. This is actually a pretty dope-ass drill bit set. And this thing, which I forget the name of, but, you know, to cut little pieces with. And a drill bit. I'll see you over at Andrew's house. Alrighty, so this is the base of operation here. We got the desk flips upside down, and then we're going to cut these there, and then this will be the desk. So right now the plan is to we're going to put 2 screws in this board, 2 screws in this one, 2 screws in this one, ratchet strap that side, make that side the way that we want it, and then take these screws out, ratchet strap this side, make this side the way that we want it. So now that we got it ratchet strapped to where these boards are tight, this is the bottom side of the desk. We're going to put this on, but cut it to size here. There you go. So the drill battery died, so now we're cutting the pieces of the legs while we're waiting on the battery to do its thing so that we can pop it in here. So the plan right now is that we're going to trace out around the bottom of those, and then we're going to cut, like, recess the 4x4 into this piece of wood so that we'll be able to set it down in there. So that'll be an adventure here in a second, but right now we're just getting the legs all cut out so that we have those ready to go. So he decided he wanted his legs in the center of this board and in the center of this board. So what we did was we measured the center of this board and cut our line there. We measured the center of this board, cut our line here. And then we measured the center here on 3 different spots on it. And then you take it and you line it up with the 3 different angles. So let me show you right here. This is the one that we used with our little marks. So all you got to do is the marks there is just line them up so that they you can check yourself. So that's what we're doing now. Right now we got one leg completely in and out, and then the other one is almost fitting. And then he's working on these. So instead of cutting them out, we decided we were just going to drill through them and then cut out the parts that they need to speed it up. So almost there. This is the final outcome here. Super simple desk. Doesn't take long. You do it in a couple hours or an hour, really. Really nice. He's eventually going to add little braces on the bottom with 2x4, I believe. But it's holding up fine. We got the wood to fit really tight, so all in all it turned out really nice, I think. And this is super easy. Like, anybody could build this if all you need is a drill, and you can actually get like Home Depot or somebody to cut the wood for you. So thanks for watching the video. Super short, super easy build. You know, do your thing. See you in the next one.